Hi everyone, how are you? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis? Today I'm going to talk about the series following fashion, the Spanish thing. The things number 4 is today's things I wish I knew before I came here. I'm gonna talk about my top 5 and then the first 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna do a bit of mantón, how to use it, because somebody on Instagram asked me how to do it. Okay, questions, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so number 5, top 5. Number 1, mañana. Mañana. People say mañana, luego. Okay? Here, it's like nos vemos mañana doesn't mean like nos vemos mañana. It means maybe see you sometime and that kind of thing. So if you think about it, like, oh my god, like, oh, are we gonna meet tomorrow? If you are confused, you can ask them, but normally it doesn't mean that's you know, they confirmed. Number 2, Spanish people like to go out with a group. Not many people like to go home, like, you know, just, you know, move and like, you know, on your own. So when I came here, I used to travel a lot and on my own, and I like to have my space as well. But when I was having, like, you know, maybe like a coffee or a glass of beer, people just look at me so much and I didn't feel comfortable. But I think in the city it's okay. In Cebu and Malaga, that's totally fine because a lot of, like, you know, more modern and more people and international atmosphere. But when I was in Castilla-La Mancha, that's how I felt. Oh my god, number 3. It's not much information because these days it's getting better, but they put website and sometimes it's not working, and you call office, like a foreigner's office, like when you have to get like a visa for Asia and that kind of thing, they don't pick up the phone. Maybe it's not that much anymore. And number 4 is like here, if you ask someone to meet up, or even like a school, or even like a dentist, or even like that kind of like appointment, that if you do it in like maybe 1 week or something like that, they normally remind you in 1 day or 2 days or something like that. And that's something that I didn't know about, and that's something that I used to get frustrated why people forget, you know, when I used to teach or something like that, or want to make sure that you send message 1 or 2 days before if you want to meet up with people. Number 5 is that everything is, you know, with a tranquilidad, like relax. Like if I want to sort out some kind of paper, or if I have to go in and get, like, you know, Ayuntamiento City Hall, the council, to get like registrations where I live in Parlamento, it's like, you know, that kind of paperwork doesn't, if you think that you're gonna get it done on that day, it might take like 1 week. But I'm prepared mentally that I don't get frustrated anymore, because I used to cry. Okay, let's do mantón. Normally, for the dance, it's like this. Yeah, it is really big. It's really, really big, but I prefer to have a big one because then it's got the peso, like it's more heavy. It's difficult to move until you get used to it, but later it's easier to use, I think. And it looks gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna move a little bit more because mantón is really big. Okay, first of all, you get mantón. If you don't have anything, it's okay. You get it like this, yeah. This is personal things. A lot of like Spanish people teach you in this way, not to show the dedos like hands and stuff, yeah, and not to go like this, like showing your shoulder. That's how I learned from Spanish people. But in flamenco, it's like whatever you think it's suitable for you, and whatever you think it's right, then you just do it. And I saw Fana Amalia. I think she was holding in a different way as well. So it's really, really, really what you like and what you love. So what you love, you can express better, right? You can express your be authentic, original, you know. I can't say it today, I don't know why. But anyways, yeah, so whatever you believe, it's the things, and whatever you like, you choose. Okay, I'm gonna do it because I like it. I learned it in that way from Spanish people. Spanish people and Gypsy people are different, okay, for you to understand. So don't show your finger, don't show your finger, right? So you should get it like this, yeah. So shoulder should really cover as well. You practice this. Ping, 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 ping. Do you see it? Do you see it? When I start doing this, I was like this. It hurts. It hurts. But it's beautiful. It's heavy, so it's not easy. It's a lot of like it is like you know, gym. You're going to gym and doing workout, like, yeah. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The important thing is, okay, so the hands is here, you move only here, okay? Here is okay as well, but here, boom, 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 boom. When you are going to do mantón, you should ask, you should find out, you should ask a teacher that shows breathes out, because if you are wearing that, you don't really see it, you know. So I'm gonna show you what I do. So easy to see. Come on. Okay, so we're here. It's like a same as the basic. Yeah, the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it together. This mantón. Yeah. So we really have to think about fleco, no? Fleco is this part, yeah, because this is why it looks beautiful. When this moves, it's big and it's nice, right? So we have to think about it. Okay, let's do it together. Yes? It's not like that either, it's like this. And again, yeah? And one more thing, if we go here, we don't go there. It's a straight line to where you want to reach. Yeah? Do you know what I mean? It doesn't go, it's not like a straight line. It's where you want to go, where you want to reach, and throw it. Okay? So, we're gonna come here, we're gonna come here. For you to remember, your body has to remember. Alright? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another one. practice this and leave it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. Okay? So what we have learned today is here. 1, 1. So we learn how the flamenco goes, okay? B is G is coming here because I think it's yellow. And I'm scared. I think it's still here. Oh my god. Okay, so if you can see your mirrors, espejo, just try to analyze how it moves. Okay? We're gonna do it one more time and then we're gonna go. Okay. Here. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. Okay? So this is your form work. And another one is we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. You can finish it at 10 as well. Okay, so up to here today. Next time, if you wanna keep going, keep running with a manton, then write comment or send me message so that we can do this one, the turning manton. Turning manton. Okay? 1, 2,